Hi everyone, I'm back with FabFitFun and the Spring Box, and it's better than ever. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it's a seasonal subscription box. Use my code, get $10 off your first order, which means you get everything in here for just $39.99. And with the seasonal subscription box, it comes 4 times a year directly to your door, and you can even customize your order. So let's take a look at some of my picks for spring. One of my favorites is the Marinella Body Oil. This smells so fabulous. When you're having a stressful day, just put some in your hands. And the smell is so delicious. It's like a 5-second meditation or just a breakaway. And also, summer is just around the corner. I love these freshwater spritzes. Sprays on so lightly, like that. Doesn't ruin your makeup if you're outside with makeup on. Another one of my favorites is the liquid liner. I cannot live without my liquid liner. I will be honest about that. I love the gold detail this time around. This is so much fun. And nothing like silicone straws for your summer cocktail party. I didn't even know that there could be such a thing as this, but yes, there is. So check this out. It has its own little travel case. Yes. Yes, there it is. And one of my favorite brands is back, Wish, with the restoring mask. This is something that I've worked into my routine. Everything is so busy all the time, but I feel so much better when I take 5 to 10 minutes at night and do a quick mask. Tarte is back with a great contouring set. Adding some glow to your skin, this is perfect. Everything is right there. And I like this because it folds up and it travels well, which is really important to me. Another favorite that I picked is the Caravan rug. And this one's so cute. I love the black and white design. And if you need to, you just throw it in the washer. And I also picked more masks. These are my favorite too. They're so easy to use. I love that it comes with the application brush. I love using the exfoliating mask, especially after a couple days for me at work. There's so much stuff in my pores. So go over to FabFitFun.com, use my code for $10 off your first box. Remember, you can customize it, but you also get access to member-only sales, FabFitFun TV, and community forums, which is great when you have all those questions like, how do I really use that? So go to FabFitFun.com, check it out, use my code, get $10 off. And again, it's over $200 worth of value. I promise you, this is true to its word, because just one of these items it quickly adds up to more than $39.99. So use my code, check it out at FabFitFun.com.